This is a second-hand YANMAR 80 hydraulic wheel excavator. The YANMAR 80 excavator is equipped with the original YANMAR 4TMV98 XPVB engine. Small excavators are flexible in operation, widely used in construction and farm. Boom side shift function, more flexible operation in a small space. Power is 43.4 kilowatt. The bucket capacity is 0.3 cubic meters. The working weight of the whole machine is 7,775 kg. Excavator bucket and matching thumb clamp. Clean and amazing appearance. Good performance, very flexible. Used excavators are more cost-effective.